Variables in C++ are kind of like the different containers you'd use in a kitchen, and data types are the size and shapes of those containers. They instruct the compiler exactly what kind of data you're working with and how much space to set aside for it. Say, for example, you're following a recipe. If you're measuring with whole numbers, for example, 3 eggs, you would reach for an int, which is like a dry measuring cup. It's designed to hold just whole amounts, no fractions, no decimal places. However, if your recipe calls for something a little more precise, like 3/4 of a cup of milk, you'd use a double, a more flexible container. It can hold decimal values like 0.75. If you were to mix them up, things would go wrong. Trying to store 0.75 in an int would chop off the decimal points and leave you with just 0. It would be like dumping a cup of salt instead of just a teaspoon. A small mistake, but your whole recipe, or in this case, your program, is now broken.